Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Polly Williams and this is DG Hacks and this is home. So today I want to do a review of another transcription platform that I used to do transcription. It's called Go Transcript and it offers transcription jobs, captions, text translation, audio translation and other services. And using this platform you can be able to make money online, okay? And Go Transcript hires worldwide and it pays up to 0.6 dollars per audio minute, and the payments are done every Friday. Okay, you can request the payments via their start page, right? So once you log in, this is what you'll be able to see. Okay, so we can click here on transcription jobs to see what you will see. So here is where the available, in progress, and finished jobs are displayed. Okay, and once you click here on info, you see your statistics, FAQ, and leaderboard. Okay, if you have an issue also with your account, say you've been rated in the wrong way, you can contact support through you just click here to contact support. So let us go back and go to your statistics and see some of the things that you need to know with Go Transcript. Okay, so with Go Transcript you have to maintain a very high rating, and there are advantages of that, right? So as a transcriber, as you can see here, if you have a rating of 4.9 to 5, you see the job immediately. That is why it's written 0 minutes. So once the job is posted, you'll see it. If you've been rated between 4.8 to 4.9, you see a job after 5 minutes, and it depreciates like that. So if you've been rated, say, between 2 and 2.5, you see job after 900 minutes. And that means the people who will have been rated higher, they will see the jobs, then you will see them later. Okay, so you have to maintain a high rating on Go Transcript so that you see the jobs immediately. So that is the same case for an editor. You have to maintain a very high rating to see the job immediately they appear. Okay, and so let us go back to the dashboard and see. Once you click here, you will see the available jobs. At the moment, we have 28 available jobs on Go Transcript for transcription, and so we can click on. There are two, as you can see here, there are two new jobs that have just popped in, and maybe we can click on one job and look at it. Okay. You can click here to preview the job before you accept it. So you will listen and decide if you will work on this job. If it's easy, then well, it could go ahead and you click on make my job. Okay, that is, you confirm, and then we want now to transcribe this job. Okay, now let us download this job. We will click here to download. And do you remember the video I did on softwares that you can use to transcribe? So for me, I use Timmy. So I click on select here. I select the job. Then I go back to temp mail. Delete first. I can make sure once you go back to temp mail, ensure you always delete. You always delete the email that you had used. So I click on copy and go back to Jamie, then paste this email, then agree to terms, then click send. Click OK, then go back to temp mail and wait for the file to be transcribed. And the second email that you get is for the order is ready. So you click there, you open, then you click on view transcript. Okay, so once it's ready, you input your password, then you click save, then you click a step back, Then you go to your script. This is it. Okay, so you can make edits here, you can listen and transcribe this audio using this platform. Now once you have it ready, you can confirm here in terms of the low confidence. So the low confidence is to mean it doesn't have high or many mistakes. So it has 20% low confidence phrases. This means you can work on this job. Okay, if it has 30% and above, it means that job has a lot of errors. So don't do that. So assuming you've made the edits necessary for this one, ensure you listen and listen over to ensure this job is perfect. Now you want to copy this one or download it, then use the columns as we agreed. Ensure you choose plain text, then remove the timestamp, then export. So you open this file, then you copy, you put it into Word document, paste here, then copy as well from Word document, then you go back, you go transcript, and now click on transcribe.
Professional standards.
So they do have their platform here, you can transcribe here, but now that you transcribe on Temi, you just come and paste your job here.
So the investigation found that
it's already pasted. Now with this job, you can as well do edits where you're here.
Stating from it was around 10 o'clock
Sure you
at night to midnight, that time period, and that's in dispute. There was variation in the number of times that the needle was inserted, although a minimum.
Also, timestamp is another thing that you need to work on and ensure timestamp are okay. So they have already indicated that you should ensure you include timestamps after every 2 minutes. Okay, so you come here and once you're done with everything, you save transcription and click on finish. But for us, we are not going to finish this job because this is a sample job, so I didn't transcribe it. So for me, I will just click on refuse this job. Okay, I will refuse the job and it takes me back. You can now see there is no job in progress. So at the moment, as you can see, the job has reduced. Right now there are 15 jobs that are available for transcription. Okay, so now let's see how you can become an editor. You just click on here, and to become an editor, you have to be rated
transcripts
5 to 5. Okay, so that you can apply to become an editor. So for you to become an editor, you have 2 steps. Part 1 is to transcribe this part perfectly. So you will do all the edits. Then part 2, you need to write an essay between 150 to 450 words, right? That's you're describing one of your previous jobs position, what you liked and disliked about it, and you need to use your words to talk about the topic. And now they say avoid just stating general facts. Don't state general facts. You need to be specific. So yeah, after you've done that, you send it for review. Then after a while, they will get back to you, and you can either become an editor or now they will tell you you've not passed their test. Okay. So I think that is it, guys. If now you need to be very conversant with the guidelines, the transcription guidelines, and you can click here to view the guidelines, and these things need to be at your fingertips. If you have to perform very well, you need to have the guidelines in your fingertips. So that is it, guys. We will do another video showing you the specific guidelines for transcript, but for now, Let me know what you would like to learn as well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you want to learn. Bye.